Good morning, students. In a previous class, we have seen the application of linear equation, is it, in a word problem. So we have completed in the previous class, completed up to 7 problems in the exercise, 6 problems completed in the exercise. Remaining parts, remaining questions we will see now. Okay, right. The 7th one, Sneha has 18 meter of ribbon. She wants to cut into 2 pieces such that the length of one piece is 4 meter longer than the other. So Sneha has 18 meter of ribbon. Okay, she wants to cut into 2 pieces. 2 pieces cut பண்ணனும். எப்படினா such that the length of one piece is 4 meter longer than the other. ஒரு இது 4 meter அதிகமா இருக்கும். Larger. Okay, so added plus 4. Okay, then the other. இன்னொரு பார்ட்டை விட ரெண்டு பார்ட்டா இது பண்றோம். அதல ஒரு பார்ட்டை விட இன்னொரு பார்ட் வந்து 4 meter அதிகமா இருக்கணும். Find the length of the other. Okay, see. Let the one piece, okay, let the one piece of ribbon be X, okay, and other piece of the ribbon is more than 4, okay, and total length of ribbon is equal to 18 meter. Okay, so we have added these 2 values, that's it. Okay, according to the statement, x plus 4 is equal to 18 meter and 2x plus 4 is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18 minus 4 is 14. So x equal to 7. So one piece of ribbon is 7 meter and another one is x plus 4, is right? So 11 plus 4 is equal, 7 plus 4 is equal to 11 meter. That's it. Okay, thus find the length of the other piece only asking. Okay, so find thus the length of other piece is 11 meter, right? And then 8th problem, Seema is 20 years old and Reema is 4 years old. Seema is 20 years old. Okay, Seema oda age enna 20 and Reema is 4 years old. In how many years will Seema will be twice as old as Reema? எப்போ வந்து அவங்களோட ஏஜ் வந்து ட்வைஸ் டைம்ஸாக இருக்கும்னு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ சீமா இஸ் 20 years old அண்ட் ரீமா இஸ் 4 years old. ஸோ ரெண்டு பேர் எதுவும் ட்வைஸாக வரணும் அப்படின்னா என்ன பாசிபிலிட்டிஸ் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, கண்டிஷன் இஸ் ட்வைஸ் டைம்ஸ் ஆஃப் தி ரீமாஸ் ஏஜ். ஸோ 8th one சொல்யூஷன். லெட் எந்த கொஸ்டின் என்னமா கேட்டிருக்காங்க, ஹவு மெனி இயர்ஸ் வில் சீம், எத்தனாவது வருஷத்தில் ரெண்டு பேருக்குமே ஏஜ் வந்து இவளோட ஏஜ் அவளுக்கு வந்து எப்படி இருக்கும், ட்வைஸ் டைம்ஸாக இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு தான் கொஸ்டின் கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஓகேவா, ஸோ லெட் த ஏஜ் இயர், லெட் the year னு எடுத்துக்கோங்க. let the year be x. okay, So then let Rima's age be x plus 4. Okay, 4 years old. Okay, so x plus 4. And Seema's age is x plus 20. 20 years is given. Okay, so according to the statement, so x plus 4, okay, what is given the statement? The Seema is 20 years old and Rima is 4 years old. In how many years will Seema be twice? So Seema is twice. Seema's age is x plus 20. Seema's age is twice the times of Rima's age. Okay. Seema's age is twice the times of Rima's age. Okay, so x plus 20 is equal to 2x plus 2 4s are 8. So x plus 20, arrange the like terms. Okay, so minus 8 here, plus 8 come to this side, minus 8 by using the transpose method. So 2x plus x move to here, minus x, so x 12. So how many years after the twice the times of age, Rima's age and Seema's age? The year of 12. Year of 12. Okay. Thus, Seema will be twice as old as Rima after 12 years. After 12 years. Okay. How many years after the twice the times of the Rima's age? 12 years after. Okay. So Seema will be twice as old as the Rima after 12 years. Okay. And move to the ninth one. One number is twice the other. So let me consider the one number x. Okay, so the number is twice the others. When the larger number is subtracted from 50, the result is 2 more than the smaller number. 2 more than the smaller number. The smaller number என்ன எடுத்துக்கோம், x எடுத்துக்கலாம். Larger number 2x எடுத்துக்குவோம். சரியா? So more than means added to the smaller number. Okay, so again read the question. One number is twice. ஒரு நம்பர் இருக்குது, அதோடைய twice நம்பராக இருக்கும். அதுக்கப்புறம் when the larger number is subtracted from 50லேருந்து அந்த larger நம்பரை subtract பண்ணுறோம், the result is 2 more than the smaller number subtracted from the 40. The smaller number வந்து 2 அதிகமாக இருக்குது. At the same time எதுலேருந்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, 40லேருந்து சப்ராக்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, ஃபைண்ட் தட் நம்பர். அந்த நம்பர் என்ன அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகே, ஸோ லெட் த ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர். ஓகே, லெட் த ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர் பி எக்ஸ். நம்பர்னு எடுத்துக்கலாம், ஒன்றும் பிரச்சனை இல்லை. நம்ம ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர் லார்ஜர் நம்பர்னா we have understood easily. ஓகேவா, ஸ்மாலர் நம்பர். லெட் the largest number be 2x. Why do you take 2x? The first condition, one number, that number x is twice the other number. அதுக்கு twice இருக்குது இன்னொரு நம்பர், அந்த நம்பர் தான் 2x. okay, right. When the larger number is subtracted from 20. okay, so largest number subtracted from 50. So that is written, how can you return 50 minus 2x, the largest number. And second one of the statement, smaller number subtracted from 40. So 40 minus x. Okay, now according to this statement or question, what is given? Such that the length, the result is 2 more than the smaller number. 2 more than the smaller number. What is the smaller number? 40 minus x. Okay, so 40 minus x plus 2 more than 2. Okay, is then the smaller number subtracted from the 40. So largest number is 50 minus 2x. Okay, simplify. The largest number is more than the smaller number from the difference of 40. Okay, so arrange the like terms. So minus x, minus come to this a plus. Here 50, 40 more 42. Okay, so move to here minus 42. What we get? 8. Here different signs. Separate and put the greater number sign. So x is equal to 8. So the smaller number is 8. The smaller number is 8. Then another one of the number. The largest number is 2 into 8 is equal to 16. Into 16. Okay. Find the numbers. Thus, the largest number is 16. The smallest number is 8. That's it. And now 10th problem. In a family, the consumption of wheat to that of rice is in the ratio 3:1. In a family, consumption of wheat to that of rice, wheat and rice in a ratio is 3:1. Okay, so 3 represent the wheat quantity and 1 represent the rice. The total consumption cereals is total அந்த உங்கள் வீட்டில் உள்ள அந்த cereals இது எவ்வளோ கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 28 kg. Find the consumption of the ரேஷியோவில் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க எவ்வளோ கேஜி அப்படிங்கிறத கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். அவ்வளோதான். சரியா? வீட் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது, ரைஸ் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது, டோட்டல் cereals வந்து 28 இருக்குது. அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா find the consumption of wheat and rice. அப்படின்னா வீட் எவ்வளோ கேஜி இருக்குது, ரைஸ் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத கேட்டிருக்காங்க. So 10th one. The ratio, okay, given the ratio of wheat and rice is equal to 3:1. Okay, so total cereals consume, total cereals consume is equal to how many kg? 28 kg. According to the question, so ratio of the wheat is 3x. Okay, plus ratio of the wheat rice is ax. Okay, equal to 28 kg. So 4x equal to 28. So x equal to 7. Okay, 7 4s are 28. So this is a rice kg. Okay, weight of the rice 7 kg. Okay, and then find out the wheat. So 3x is equal to 28. Sorry, 3x equal to 3 into x value is 7, so 21. Thus, the consumption of wheat and rice is 7:21 kg. Okay, 7 kg and 21 kg. Wheat is 21 kg, is it? Wheat is 21 kg. So first we have write the wheat. So 21 is to 7 kg. Okay, second one write the rice. Okay, so 21 is to 7 kg. Right, and 11th one. A purse contains 25 paise and 50 paise coins. On purse having the 25 paise and 50 paise coins. The number of 25 paise coins is 3 times the number of 50 paise coins. Okay, 3 times இருக்குது எதுக்கு 50 paise coins. Okay, so 25 coins வந்து எத்தனை மடங்கா இருக்குமா? 3 times of 50 coins. 50 பைசா காயினை விட 3 மடங்கு அதிகமாக இருக்குது 25 paise coins. ஓகேவா, நல்லா புரிஞ்சுக்கணும். ஓகேவாம்மா, the number 25 paisa coin. Okay, 25 paisa coin is 3 times 3 மடங்காக இருக்குது of the 50 paise coin. 50 பைசா காயினை விட 3 மடங்காக இருக்குது. if the total money is money in the purse is டோட்டலாக அந்த ரூபாய் எவ்வளோ இருக்குன்னா அந்த பர்ஸில் 50 rupees தான் இருக்குது. ஓகேவா, ஃபைண்ட் தி நம்பர் ஆஃப் காயின்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஈச் டைப். அப்படின்னா 50 பைஸ் எத்தனை இருந்திருக்கும், 25 பைஸ் எத்தனை இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். Let x is the number of 50 paisa coins. Okay, and next 3 times of the coin, is it? So let 3x is the number of 25 paisa coins. Okay, right. So according to the statement, what is given? 25 paise. How many times? 3x. Okay, 3x plus and 50 paise. How many times of x? 50 paise of x. Okay, right. Why do you multiply? 25 பைசா எத்தனை மடங்காக இருக்குது, இந்த எக்ஸ் வேல்யூக்கு 3 டைம்ஸாக இருக்குது. எக்ஸுங்கிறது என்னது, அந்த 50 பைஸ். ஓகேவா, ஸோ 50x இஸ் ஈக்குவல் டு ருப்பீஸ் எவ்வளோ இருக்குது, ருப்பீஸில் இருக்குது. இதெல்லாமே என்னதுமா, பைசா. இதெல்லாம் என்னது, பைசா. இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது, 50 rupeesன்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. 50 rupeesல கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. have changed to the pice. so 1 rupeeங்கிறது how many pieces, 100 pice. okay, so 25 into 3x plus 50x here also we have multiply and write. Okay, right, so change to the pice. 50 into 100, since 1, write the simple, rupees 1 is equal to how many pice, 100 pice. Sa. Okay, right, now added these two values. 1, 25x is equal to 5000. so 125 how many times multiply, 4 times multiply 500. so x equal to 40. so what we consider the x value, 50 pice. so how many 50 pice are there, 50 pice. next we have find out the 3x. 3x means 3 into 40 is equal to 120. 3 times of the 50 pice, is it? so 120, 25 pice. okay, thus the result there are 40 50 pies 40 50 paisas. There are 40 50 paisa and 120 25 paisas. There are 40 50 paisa and 120 25 paisas. Okay, right. And then 12th one, Karishma takes 10 rounds of the square garden. Find the side of the square if the total distance covered by her is 2560 meter. So the distance is given. Okay, distance கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, number of rounds கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Using the distance times speed formula. What is the formula? So round we have considered or round. So distance by number of rounds. Okay, 12th one, so number of rounds எத்தனை ரவுண்ட் அடிக்கிறாங்க? 10 rounds. Distance 2560 meter. Okay, so one round, how can you calculate? One round is equal to distance by how many rounds? Number of rounds. Okay, distance by number of rounds. என்ன எழுதிக்கோங்க? Distance by number of rounds. So 256 meter. So one round க்கு எத்தனை கிலோமீட்டர் போறாங்கம்மா? One roundங்கிறது 256 meter. அதோட பெரிமீட்டர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அப்படி தானே? You find the side of the square if the total distance covered. So total distance கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. So ground உள்ள சுற்றுவோமா வெளியில் சுற்றுவோமா? வெளியில் தான். So we have to find out the perimeter. Okay, so perimeter of the square 4a. What is the formula? Perimeter of the square is equal to 4a. So perimeter of the square is equal to, what is the value? 256 meter. Okay, 256 meter. So formula 4a unit 256 meter. So 4 cancel, 4 4s are 4 6 are 24, remaining on 4 64 meter. So a is equal to 64 meter. So side of the square, you have to find out this side of the square. Thus the side of the square is 64 meter. That's it. Okay, right. And this unit completed, the portion completed. Okay, for the quarterly examination. Now see the worksheet 1, worksheet 2. Okay, the same type of questions only given. Okay, so I will do the 7 and 10 problems. So remaining problems of homework in worksheet 1 and 2. Okay, the same method. If you have any doubt, you will ask to me. Okay, you call to my personal number. I will explain or send it to the video to you all. Okay, now do the worksheet 1, 7th problem. Okay, worksheet 1, 7th problem. If the difference of 4 times of a number and 3 is the same difference of 2 times the number and 7. Then find the number. So let the number be x. The difference of the number is 7. Okay. So first we have considered the number x. Okay. That number 3. Okay. 4 times the number. 4 times number means 4x. 4 times number means times of, multiple of. So we want multiple. Okay. We want to multiple. Okay. So 4x minus 3, because the difference, the word is difference, 3 is the same as the difference of 2 times the number 7. So 2 times means 2 into x, the difference is minus 7. What is that number? What is that number? So solution, let the number be x. Okay, let the number be x. The first condition, according to the statement, the first one, 4 times of x. 4 times of x means 4x. Okay, the difference, so minus 3 is equal to, is the same as the difference 2 times of x and the difference is 7. Is it? The difference 7. Find the number. So minus 2 here, minus 3 come to the side, plus 3, so minus 4. So x equal to minus 2 is the answer. Thus the number is minus 2. So 8th, 9th homework, the same model already do in the exercise. Okay, and now do the 10th problem. Subhas is 3 years older than his brother Suresh. Okay, so Suresh okay mama, older. Who is older? Subhas. Okay, Subhas is 3 years older than his brother Suresh 6 years ago. So 6 years after means we have add. Ago na or varshangalukku munnadi. Okay mama, 6 years ago Subhas age was 4 times the age of Suresh. யாரை விட 4 மடங்கு இருந்துச்சுமா? சுபாஸுடைய ஏஜ் வந்து எப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா 4 டைம்ஸ் ஆஃப் சுரேஷ் ஏஜோடைய 4 டைம்ஸாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்ட்டுருக்காங்க. ஃபைண்ட் தேர் ப்ரெசன்ட் ஏஜ் அப்படின்னா இப்போ அவங்க 2 பேருக்கு என்ன ஏஜ் அப்படிங்கிறது தான் கொஸ்டின். ஓகேவா? ஸோ ரைட் த கிவன் டேட்டாஸ். Let the age of Suresh, okay, Suresh is chinna paiyan, okay amma, be x years, okay, and then age of Subhas, 3 times, is it? 3 times of Suresh. So 3 plus x years or x plus 3. Okay, right. And then 6 years ago. So 6 years ago, the age of Suresh is x minus 6 years. And age of Subhas 3 plus x minus 6, that is x minus 3 years. Right? Now see the statement. What is the statement? 6 years ago, Subhas age was, so x minus 3. Okay, Subhas age is x minus 3 is 4 times the age of Suresh. 4 times of, so according to the statement, Subhas age is 3 minus x minus 3 is equal to how many times? 4 times. 4 times of Suresh's age. Okay. Now simplify. 4x minus 24. So arrange the like terms. Okay. Minus 3 plus 24. Here 4x minus x. So 3x 21. Simplify. 7. Yes. So whose age is 7 years? Suresh age is 7. Okay, Suresh age is 7. Subha's age is 3 plus x. So 3 plus 7 is equal to 11 years. Okay, thus the age of Suresh is 7 years and the age of Subhas is 11 years. 3 plus 7, 10 only. 10 years. That's it. Okay. So remaining problems are homework. The quarterly portion completed. Everyone properly studied. If you have any doubt, anytime you will call to me. Okay. Now write the homework on that side. Homework worksheet 1, 1 to 6, 8 and 9. Okay, the same model already do in the exercise. Okay, the same model, number only vary. Okay, right, and then worksheet 2 flip. That's it. Okay, I hope you all understood this problem. Okay, carefully read the question, arrange the algebraic statement properly and solve, you get the answer. Thank you, students.